かんしん, We use this when we see someone's actions or manners and feel impressed. It's for moments when you want to praise someone. 感心、誰かの行動やマナーを見たときに、すごいと思う場面でよく使います。褒めたい気持ちのときに言います。Part of speech, noun, pseudoverb, and not adjective. The word 感心 means the feeling of admiration or being impressed, and it can also describe something as praiseworthy or admirable. 誰かの振る舞いを見て、すごい、偉いと心から褒める気持ち、またそのように高く評価できる様子。The first kanji means feeling or emotion. It shows the idea of sensing and being moved. You see it in kanjo and kando. Both focus on strong feelings. The second kanji means heart or mind. It points to the inner feelings and thoughts. You see it in shinpai and shinzo. One is about worry. The other is the physical heart. I was impressed with his efforts. 彼の努力に感心しました。彼の努力に感心しました。The teacher was impressed with the student. 先生はその生徒に感心していました。先生はその生徒に感心していました。Everyone was impressed by her kindness. みんなが彼女の優しさに感心した。みんなが彼女の優しさに感心した。That kid is really impressive. その子は本当に感心な子です。その子は本当に感心な子です。The most common synonyms of the word are 簡単 and 敬服. 簡単 feels stronger and more like wow. 敬服 adds a sense of respect towards someone's rank or virtue. Both overlap with 感心 when you praise someone's good actions. The most common antonyms of the word are 軽蔑 and 失望. 軽蔑 is looking down on someone, the opposite of admiring. 失望 is feeling let down, not impressed at all.